I'm now in Manila, the Philippines, where you can see Typhoon Nuru is storming through the region with heavy rains and strong winds. And we were also told by local meteorological authorities that this super typhoon is going to bring landslides, flooding, and lots of damages in properties, and they're advising everyone to take precautions needed to stay safe.
Super Typhoon Nuru made landfall in Quezon Province, south of Manila, on Sunday afternoon, bringing heavy rain and severe winds to the Philippine capital and several areas on the main Luzon island. Metro Manila, home to over 13 million people, is under Cyclone Wind Signal 4, the second highest wind threat. At least 6 provinces in Nuru's direct path are under Signal 5. The State Weather Bureau said that areas under Signals 4 and 5 will experience winds peaking at Typhoon 4 strength. Authorities urged residents in coastal and landslide-prone areas to evacuate safely as the typhoon approached. Nuru is the 11th cyclone to enter the Philippines. The cyclone was blowing westward at 20 kilometers per hour, packing winds of 195 kilometers per hour. The Philippine Coast Guard said over 2,500 passengers, drivers, and cargo helpers are stranded in ports in the southern Tagalog and Bicol regions. Airport authorities said that almost 50 international and domestic flights were cancelled due to bad weather. Located in the Pacific Ring of Fire, the Philippines is among the most disaster-prone countries globally, with active volcanoes, frequent earthquakes, and an average of 20 typhoons a year, causing floods and landslides. In recent years, the Philippines has been hit by several major disasters, including Super Typhoon Haiyan in 2013, which killed over 7,000 people.